Tiny Treasures and Toys. Please subscribe.
Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we're going to have fun with our Sesame Street themed dough, and we're going to learn colors and numbers. First we have Blue Cookie Monster. Is the dough blue? It is. Push my finger in. Oh, it's nice and soft. And we're going to start by making a number 1. Blue 1. Second we have Oscar the Grouch, and he is green. And so is the dough. Let's give it a push, nice and soft. What number are we going to make now? I'm going to make a number 2. Roll the dough between my hands. And I make the one long piece the shape of a 2. All right, third we're going to open Elmo, and he has red dough inside, of course. And this time we are going to make a big long snake for the number 3. Now 3 is a little trickier to make. And I just need to pinch the middle. Pull that. That's pretty good. Fourth is Big Bird. And Big Bird is yellow. Yellow starts with the letter Y. Yellow is a happy color. It reminds me of the sunshine. I have 2 pieces for my number 4. A long one and a shorter one. Our last but not least container is Abby Cadabby, and her dough is pink, one of my favorite colors. We are going to make the number 5. I have one long piece. Now let's do some counting with Kitty. We need to go find her. We're in a dark room. Let's turn on the light. There she is. She's sleeping in her bed. Let's count treats with Kitty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is where Kitty sleeps all night, and her bed keeps her warm. Time to clean up and count backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. And thank you to all of our fans who have already subscribed. And if you are a fan, please subscribe. It really helps our channel grow and helps YouTube recognize our success so we can create videos every single day. Thank you and goodbye.